5 Best Coffee Machines. Here is the product number 5. JIQI Coffee Maker Dripped Cafe Americano at Cafe Americano. Product, Drip Coffee, XQH653GF. Capacity, 0.15 liters/1 cup. Material food grade plastic. Voltage and power: 220 to 240 volts/300 watts. Features: 1. 0.15 liters water level tank, the inner wall of incidental scale, water is clearly visible, enjoy the fresh brewed coffee. Here is the product number 4. Coffee Machine Espresso Coffee Maker for Italy Coffee. Food Vacuum Sealer Pack Vacuum Sealer Stainless Steel Body $343 2360 80/PC atop 100mm to 130mm manual hamburger press burger forming machine round meat shaping aluminum machine food processor machine USD 116 16142 56/piece quality BPA free 5 liters heavy duty. Here is the product number 3. Espresso Coffee Maker for Italy Coffee. Electric Espresso Coffee Groups, 11 liters 2. Original Italian water pump, flow meter and solenoid valve 3. Color, red. Features: 1. Original Italian water pump, flow meter and solenoid valve. 2. Steel front and top panel, toasted powder coating. 3. Inbuilt rotary pump with balanced bypass, Solin SF certified. 4. Here is the product number 2. Automatic Drip Coffee Maker Machine, Old Coffee Tea Machine. Home air frying pan accessory baking basket pizza plate grill pot mat multifunctional kitchen accessory USD 27 19/piece hand cast aluminum manual meat grinder mincer machine sausage table crank tool for home kitchen cutter slicer beef USD 16 51/piece multifunctional processing machine for nutritious fruit and vegetable health juice extractor domestic fruit mixer USD 34 84/piece. Here is the product number 1. JIQI Coffee Maker Dripped Cafe Semi-Automatic Cafe. Product, Drip Coffee, XQH653GF. Capacity, 0.15 liters/1 cup. Material food grade plastic. Voltage and power: 220 to 240 volts/300 watts. Features: 1. 0.15 liters water level tank, the inner wall of incidental scale, water is clearly visible. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.